Hi, today we are going to see a topic in Oracle, that is Oracle INSTR function. This INSTR function is widely used in our Oracle real-time activities, that is our support activities and development activities. The Oracle INSTR function allows us to search a string for the occurrence of the another string and returns the positions of the occurrence within the string. That means it will always write the number, an integer it will be written. We will see the syntax first, and I will give one or two examples. From that you can easily understand about the instring function. The syntax of the instring function is instring, string, comma, substring, then start position and occurrence. Here, the parameters string and substring are mandatory. That means compulsorily we need to give that. Okay. Start position is optional and occurrence is also optional one. Okay. String mandatory. This is the text string that is searched in. It is usually the larger of the two strings. Okay. Then substring mandatory. This is the test string is searched for. It is usually the smaller of the two strings. And I will explain about the start positions and occurrence by giving some examples. Okay. Here I am going to take one example. Here we are going to search for the occurrence of the E. The string is Delhi and substring is India. Within this, we are going to search for the occurrence of the letter E. The instring function will always write the position. Okay, that is the integer number only to write. Here we should write 2. Okay, it returns number 2. That means the E, the capital letter E is in second position. And you should know one thing, it is always case sensitive. If I give small letter E, then we will return 0 only. Okay. I will show from this example. Here we are going to search for the letter M. That means it will write the position, the occurrence of the M. Here, that Melbourne, M is the capital one. So it should write 0. See, it returns 0. That means it is not available. Small m is there, but capital M is there, small m is not available. If I give capital M, then it will write 1. See, it returns 1. That means it starts from the position 1, the first occurrence. So it returns the number 1. That means the M is at the first position. Okay. Already I showed 3 examples. That means one with the smaller case that returns the number 0 and capital that returns the number 1. That is the position, starting occurrence. Okay. It returns the start position, the first occurrence. Okay. Now we are going to search for the letter E. Okay. Here only that starting position I need to explain. Now I am going to take this example. Here we are going to search for the letter small case E, and I am going to specify the position, start position, and the occurrence. That means the order of occurrence. If I specify 2, then it will take the second occurrence. Okay, it starts from the Melbourne, that is M, the position. Here E comma 1 comma 2. I will explain what is start position. Start position is a non-zero integer and indicates where in the string value to start the search. That is where it should start the search. In Melbourne, it should start the search from the letter M. That is the first position. You should always think of the position. The number one means the starting position. The default is always 1, which is the start of the string. If it is negative, the function searches and counts from the end of the string and goes backward. Okay. Then occurrence. Occurrence is optional, already told. This is the positive integer and indicates the occurrence of the substring the function should search for. Okay. Here, in the Melbourne, Australia, we are going to search for the letter E, the smaller case E, small case. The start position is 1. That is, it is going to start from here. And it's going to search for the second occurrence. Number 2 means second occurrence. It should return the exact position of the second occurrence. Okay, it returns 9. That means the first occurrence is at the second position. That is E comes at the 2. Second time the E comes at the 9th position. Okay, so it returns the 9. It always returns the integer only. Okay, so it returns the number 9. That means at the 9th position. Oracle INSTR a return value. Okay, the function returns the number value, which is the number in the location of the string where the substring is found. The numbering starts at 1. So if it is the first character, then function will return number 1. Okay, that is why it returns the 9th position. The second occurrence of the E comes at the 9th position, so it returns the number 9. Okay, the substring is not found, means then it will return 0. Okay, here if I give Z, then what will happen? It will return 0. Okay, it is not found, that means. So this is the way you should use the in-string function. A lot of examples are available in the Oracle documentation. You can go through and you can learn it. Thanks. Bye.